Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Blum's Daily Combo and Video Codes, December 27, 2024. Claim today's codes to earn 2 million coins. Are you ready to hit the jackpot in Blums? The Daily Combo and Video Codes for December 27, 2024 are here to help you rake in 2 million coins. Don't miss out on this opportunity to supercharge your gameplay. What is Blums? Blums is an exciting mini-game available on Telergam. It's simple to play, yet full of fun strategies to master. The game lets you tap your way to success, earning Blums coins as you go. Along the way, you can unlock upgrades, complete challenges, and rise from humble beginnings to conquer the city. Similar to games like Hamster Combat, Blums mixes casual gameplay with strategic decisions, making it ideal for both quick play sessions and long-term engagement. Whether you want to play for a few minutes or immerse yourself in upgrading your character, Blums offers something for everyone. Daily Combo Codes, a shortcut to massive rewards. One of the most exciting features in Blums is the Daily Combo Code. These codes unlock free rewards, giving players an extra boost to achieve their goals. Every day, a new code is released, offering items like Blums coins, special power-ups, or rare bonuses. How does it work? Find the code. Keep an eye out for the daily code shared in the game or community groups. Enter the code. Input the code in the game to instantly claim your rewards. Build a streak. The more consecutive days you use the daily combo, the bigger the rewards. Streak bonuses can unlock rare prizes and accelerate your progress. Why use the daily combo? Free coins. Earn extra Blums coins without spending extra time tapping. Special bonuses. Gain exclusive items or boosts to give you an edge in the game. Level up faster. Use these rewards to unlock upgrades and dominate the leaderboards. Here's today's daily combo code for December 27, 2024. Backhand index pointing right, insert code here, backhand index pointing left. Core gameplay, tap your way to success. The heart of Blums is simple, tap to earn coins. But the fun doesn't stop there. The game is designed to keep you coming back with a mix of tapping, upgrading, and strategic planning. How to play. Earn coins. Tap the screen to collect Blums coins. The faster you tap, the more you earn. Unlock upgrades. Spend your coins on upgrades that increase your income. Choose between. Active boosts. Make each tap worth more. Passive income. Earn coins even when you're not playing. A smart balance between active tapping and passive upgrades is key to maximizing your progress. Progression and challenges. As you advance, new challenges and features unlock, keeping the game fresh and exciting. Each upgrade brings you closer to dominating the city and earning bragging rights among your friends. Character upgrades. Build a winning strategy. Upgrades are essential to becoming a top player in Blums. The Upgrade tab is where the magic happens. Here you can enhance your character's coin-earning rate. Purchase time boosts for short bursts of massive income. Invest in long-term upgrades that keep earning coins while you're offline. Tips for choosing upgrades. Short-term gains. Pick active boosts when you're playing for extended sessions. Long-term growth. Focus on passive income for continuous earning. Smart decision-making will help you build a strategy that balances instant rewards with sustainable growth. The College. Unlock bonus features and mini-games. The College is a special section in Blums filled with extra features to keep the gameplay exciting. Here's what you'll find. 1. Mystery Box. Test your luck by opening one of 3 boxes. Daily Free Box. Get a free item every day. Mixed Box. Spend stars to unlock bigger rewards. Avatar Box. Customize your character with unique outfits. 2. Lottery. Feeling lucky? Pick one of 3 cards for a chance to win a huge amount of Blums coins. 3. Animal Park. Adopt adorable animal companions. Each animal provides unique bonuses to improve your gameplay. 4. Expeditions. Send your character on expeditions to boost your hourly coin production. Choose from 4 types, each with different rewards and durations. 5. Store. Express yourself by customizing your avatar with exclusive items and styles. Social features. Play with friends. Bums isn't just a solo journey, it's even better with friends. Invite others to join the game and earn a percentage of their in-game income. By building a network of players, everyone progresses faster and earns more. Why invite friends? Boost your earnings. Earn passive income from your friends' progress. Teamwork wins. Help each other achieve goals and climb the leaderboards. Final tips for success. Check daily. Don't miss out on daily combo codes for free rewards. Upgrade smart. Balance active and passive income for maximum growth. Play the college games, use mystery boxes, the lottery, and expeditions to collect bonuses. Invite friends, build a team, and earn even more. With these tips, you'll dominate the world of bums in no time. What are you waiting for? Grab today's daily combo code and start earning your way to 2 million coins.